Hey everyone, if your iPhone feels slow or laggy, do these quick tricks to speed it up instantly. Let's get started. Number one is clear the background apps. Swipe up and close all apps running in the background. This frees up RAM and boosts performance. Number two is turn off background app refresh. Go to your settings and click General and tap Background App Refresh and turn it off for apps you don't need running. This stops apps from using power and data in the background. 3 is reduce motion and animation. Go to your settings and click accessibility and tap motion. And here turn on reduce motion. This speeds up animation and makes your phone feel snappier. Number 4 is free up the storage space. Go to your settings again and click General and select iPhone storage. Delete unused apps, old photos, or large files. Your iPhone needs free space to run smoothly. And number 5 is disable unnecessary system services. Go to your settings and click privacy and security and tap location services, system services, and turn it off things you don't need like location based ads and suggestions. And lastly, restart your iPhone weekly. This clears temporary files and refreshes system performance. And this will make your iPhone faster and guaranteed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.